Hi, this is Heather Bayer. And in this section of the guide, I'm going to be sharing the process of branding and marketing that brought us huge success in our property management company. So this is about branding and marketing as a property manager. So it's taking those first steps we did in step 3, creating a vacation rental marketing strategy, and expanding upon those. So I'll be exploring how you can define your unique selling proposition, we call it your USP, and cultivate a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. I used to struggle with this idea of brand identity, and it took me a while to understand what it was all about. And I want to share my understanding of that with you. So from creating a memorable brand name and a logo to developing a cohesive visual identity and your brand voice. This all helps you to create your overall brand identity. And as I say, we're taking you every step of the way towards that. There's a lot to unpack in this section as we cover many elements that make up a strong marketing strategy, from understanding your target audience, and I know if you've read the previous sections, we mentioned this a lot, to using online booking platforms on your terms, to establishing local partnerships and staying up to date with industry trends. By the end, you're going to have a much clearer picture of how to make your brand stand out in a crowded market.